current foundation routine. So as you can see, the eyes are already done. This is what it's looking like. Eyebrows are already done. So we're gonna use this Makeup Revolution foundation. This is what it looks like, you guys. And this is in the shade F13. So this is what we're gonna use. And we're gonna use this BH Cosmetics brush to blend it out, as well as makeup blender, beauty blender, I'm sorry. So we're gonna start by just, okay, let me show you how the applicator is. So this is how the applicator is for the foundation, and we're just gonna dot it. Just dot it over our face, like so. Put a little bit on our face, on our forehead. And that's enough. And then we're gonna go in with this brush and just blend it out. Go in with my beauty blender to make sure everything is blended out really well. You guys, in this ring light that I'm using, I'm actually recording on my cell phone, my iPhone, and this ring light that I am using, this is from Amazon. It's really nice. As you can see, the lighting is really, really good. So I will put the link for this ring light in the description bar. So foundation is done. So now we're gonna go in with highlight, and I'm gonna highlight using my Born This Way concealer, and this is in the shade Butterscotch. I really love this concealer. I really love it. So we're just gonna go and dot like that. Not like that. I like to kind of come to my nose. So I'm gonna put a little here, forehead, and here. And we're just gonna blend this out, and I am gonna use the beauty blender to blend this out. So as you can see, my face is highlighted, you guys. And I'm just gonna go back with that brush and kind of get here. I like to get here. So I'm gonna go back with that brush and blend here as well as here. So this is what everything is looking like, you guys. So now I'm gonna contour. I don't really set my face, but I'm gonna set it today. But I wanna contour first, and I'm gonna contour with this palette from Guize FX. This is what it looked like, you guys. This is what the contour shades look like. And I'm gonna go in with this contour here. Oh no, I'll go in with this one. I'm gonna go in with this contour here and contour my face. I don't like to contour a lot, but just a little bit. I'm gonna hit the temples. Just hit the temples, like so. And then we're gonna do a nose, and I wanna take the same brush and just go down on the sides of my nose. as well as this side. Just like that, you guys. So you see that? And to find your contour, you just want to suck your cheeks in and you'll find your contour. And now I'm going to just blend everything out, you guys. And I'm just going to get a, this brush. I'm going to use this brush, which is from, where's this from? This is Moda. And I'm going to use this powder from Makeup Revolution and just kind of set everything. Just a little bit, kind of brush it off. Yeah. Go basically like over everything. This powder is like a it's deeper than the Sacha Buttercup. That's what I like about it. And I could take it and set my whole face and also blend out the contour all at the same time. Like so. So this is what we look like. This is what everything is looking like. So you guys, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to highlight my face. I'm gonna find which highlighter I want to use, and I'll come back with the lippy as well as what I highlighted with and show you all my final. Okay, you guys, so this is the final look. So you guys, what I use as a highlight is this Wanderlust Beauty palette, and I got this out of a BoxyCharm. This is what the highlight looks like. Is it pulling up? There it is. Let me try to turn it down. There we go. So I use this and this as a highlight. These two shades. There we go. These two shades. And that's what I use as a highlight, you guys. And for the lips, I did use this Colored Rain liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade Rain Fever. So that is it, you guys. You know, of course, this hair is my raw Cambodian natural straight texture. It is wand curl, and I did bleach it, you guys. So this is the final look. What do you think, you guys? I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed this look. If you would like more videos from me, then go ahead and thumbs this video up. Share it wherever you share your videos. And I love you guys. And if you're not subscribed, but you have watched this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right there and become part of the family. You probably already watched a video or two. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button and just become a part of the family. I will have more coming on this channel. I do have a birthday haul coming up. I do have a clothing haul coming up, you guys. So go ahead and subscribe and become a part of the family. So you guys, I love you guys. And if you would like for me to do any type of video, put it in the comment bar so I can see it, and yeah, so I can do these videos. Give me some ideas on new videos to do, you guys. And yeah, that face is big. Oh, you guys, and one more other thing, I do want to show you this. This is what I set my face with, and this is the Lemon Peel Peppermint Toner. I did get this peppermint toner from J Shea Essentials. I really love to set my makeup with this. It makes it just come out so good, you guys. Like, so good. It's like so good. You see my face. And these lashes are Ardell Demi Wispy lashes. So this is the whole face, you guys. So you guys, I love you, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye-bye.